Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, guys, we are looking at a question which came in biology paper 2 theory, which was on question 3. So now, this was a question which came. The question was saying, figure 2 shows a cross section through a root of a plant. The root was previously immersed in a blue-colored solution for 3 hours. So now, this was the root that we are talking about. It had part A, part M, which is like a cross, which is on, which has got like a star here. Then part O is this one. It's also this one. That's part O, which make a N, and that's part N. Then part O, it is this one which is round. So now A, it was saying A1 was saying identify the parts labeled the M, N, and O in figure 2. So M, it is this one which is like a star, which is on the middle. So what you need to understand is that the answer for A, we say is xylem. So we're going to write xylem is the one which is found on the middle, xylem. Xylem. Then this one, the round one, it is N, it is phloem. Phloem. So this one, xylem, is the one which is used to transport the water and the minerals. Then this one, phloem, is used to transport food for the plants. Then there is O now, which is a ring-like. So you are going to say endo. This one is endodermis. Endodermis. So that's the answers. So now the question was saying, which labeled part in figure 2 would be stained blue? Which one is it going to be blue? When the question was saying the root was previously immersed in blue-colored solution. So which one is it going to be immersed blue? Which one is it going to be stained blue? So you are going to say xylem. The M is the one that is going to stain blue. So the question was saying, second question was saying, give a reason. Now you have to explain. So you're going to say, the xylem transports water. So the blue colored solution moves through it and stain it. So the blue colored solution moves through it and stains it. It says stains it. So you say the xylem transports water. So the blue colored solution moves through it and this stains it. So now According to our second question now, our second question was saying, name the process by which nitrate ions would enter the root through structure labeled L. Name the process by which this structure L. So it was saying, name the process by which nitrates ions would enter the root through structure D labeled L. You say active transport. You say active transport. So now, what you need to understand is that nitrate ions are often at a lower concentration in the soil than inside the root air cell. To move them against the concentration gradient, the cell uses energy, which is called the active transport. So now again, it was saying, name the process by which water enters the root through structured labeled L. You have to name the process by which water enters through the. So you say osmosis. Osmosis. So what you need to understand, the water moves from the soil into the root air cell through a partially permeable membrane, which is osmosis. Like we say, osmosis is the movement of water molecules from higher concentration into lower concentration. So now, the last question was question C. So question C was saying, name two ways in which the structure of the part labeled L is adapted to its function. State two ways in which the structure, how does that structure of the root air cell is adapted to its function. You say it has a long, long and narrow. You say no, long and narrow, so it has long and narrow, giving a large surface area for absorption. Large surface, which gives it large surface area for absorption. So write absorption. That's so the other structure which causes it to function again, you say it has a thin cell wall. You say thin cell wall. So you can even explain this cell allowing rapid movement of water and minerals. So allowing rapid, so you say allowing rapid movement of water and mineral. You say mineral what? Mineral ions. So you can even just write this thin cell wall. So the thin cell wall is the one which is now allowing rapid movement of water and the mineral ions. So the long and narrow, it has got a long and narrow structure, giving it a large surface area for absorption. I've come to our end of our lesson. Why should you continue to struggle with biology when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just follow my TikTok channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more